This FYI Southern Oregon is sponsored by Jerry's Rogue Jets.
Hi, I'm Monica Darsden, and you're watching FYI Southern Oregon. Joining me today is Scott McNair from Jerry's Rogue Jets. Scott, thanks for coming on the show.
Hey, thank you for having me.
So tell me, what's Jerry's Rogue Jets all about?
Jerry's Rogue Jets is a nature-based jet boat tour on the lower Rogue River out of Gold Beach. Family safe, family fun, river adventure, young to the young at heart. We got a tour for you.
Wonderful. The weather's nice, so it's a perfect time to come out and visit you guys.
Yes, no doubt.
Tell me, what's special about the lower Rogue River and where you guys tour and operate?
Yeah, the unique thing about the lower Rogue River is we're going to start in the Pacific Coastal Estuary and get to move up through the wild and scenic section of the Rogue River. So it's really a natural, beautiful area. The black bear potential, Columbia black-tailed deer, Rogue River otter, majestic osprey, American bald eagle. In its natural habitat, you're going to have an opportunity to see all of that.
Very cool. And what is a connection you guys have to the Rogue River?
You can trace the history of the Rogue River, or the Jerry's Rogue Jets on the Rogue River, to about 1895, delivering mail to the community of Agnes. Still delivering mail each day, and just a real centerpiece of the history on the Rogue River.
Interesting. And you guys also have a connection to Gold Beach, is that right?
We do. The Rogue River represents kind of the unofficial heartbeat of the community of Gold Beach and is our mainstay. And I think that Jerry's plays a big part in the community. It's pretty often to hear folks that have been on Jerry's Rogue Jets on vacation and then chose to come back and live in our community. So
wonderful, wonderful. Well, thanks for coming on the show.
Hey, thank you for having me.
This is Scott from Jerry's Rogue Jets. We'll see you next time.
For more information, go to kdrv.com and click on the FYI Southern Oregon tab.